Have you ever learned a new trading strategy, felt like you completely understood it, but when you tried to use it with real money, you just hesitated or made mistakes? It's one of the most frustrating things for a trader. In this video, I'm going to reveal why this happens and give you a clear, simple method to turn any strategy you learn into an automatic, instinctive skill. This is not another strategy. This is the key to unlocking your confidence and finally trading with the consistency you've been searching for. So stick with me. So let's talk about the real secret weapon of successful traders, their mindset. We're tackling a crucial question. Why should you watch trading videos multiple times? Because here's the fundamental truth. Just understanding a strategy isn't enough. To succeed, you need a combination of relentless repetition, deep mental immersion, and subconscious integration. It's only when these elements work together that abstract knowledge transforms into a real automatic skill you can rely on in the live market. So, how does this transformation actually happen? It's all about how your brain is wired. It learns through repeated exposure. Think about it. Each time you rewatch a video, you're adding a new layer of understanding, noticing details you missed before. Every repetition literally strengthens the neural connections for that specific pattern. When you add mental immersion, really focusing and visualizing, you activate all your cognitive channels at once. That's why this isn't about simple memory. This is deep conditioning. You're training your mind to react instinctively. It all boils down to this powerful equation: repetition plus immersion equals mastery. This is what the journey looks like in practice. After 1 or 2 views, you achieve logical understanding. You know the rules. But the real change begins around the 7th repetition, when you start to feel the strategy, developing an intuition. As you approach 21 views, your brain starts to automate the process, spotting setups with less effort. And then, the final stage, somewhere between 30 and 65 views, it becomes purely instinctive. You no longer think, you just see and you act. This is the ultimate goal, reaching a state where you don't have to think anymore. You just act, naturally and decisively. This entire process can be summarized in 5 simple, powerful steps: watch, repeat, immerse, apply, and finally, master. Let's look at exactly how to put this into practice. So, here is your practical roadmap to mastering any strategy. First, watch the tutorial with absolute full focus, no distractions. Second, repeat it, but space it out at different times of the day to maximize retention. Third, get actively involved. This means active listening, and more importantly, pausing to mentally visualize yourself executing the setups. And finally, you must apply it. Whether in a demo account or with very small size, you have to bridge that gap between screen and reality. Remember, this immersive repetition is the absolute key to owning the skill. So, as we wrap this up, I want you to burn these 2 final ideas into your mind. The core principle is that all deep learning absolutely requires both immersion and repetition. And I'll leave you with this powerful quote: "You don't master what you understand once. You master what you've repeated, lived, and integrated until it becomes part of you." Never forget that. If you found this mindset advice helpful and you're ready to apply it, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It truly helps the channel reach more traders. And if you know someone who could benefit from this message, share it with them. Of course, to continue your journey with me, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on so you won't miss the next video. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know, what do you think of this approach to learning? And what other topics would you like me to cover next? I read every single comment. All right, that's all for today. Thanks again for sticking with me. Remember, keep learning, keep improving, and as always, happy trading.